Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is episode 1 of our 365 days of trading $10 to see how much we can make from it. So this is the first week of the year. I actually started trading this year on Monday. This is the first trading week of the year, and as promised, this is a breakdown video of the week. Every setup we took, every trade we missed, every profit, every loss. This is the breakdown video, and this is the first episode. So this week was quite, would I say, stressful, or however I want to call it. This week was quite a week. Now we took only one trade this week. Which I'll go ahead in the chat and show you right now. So the trade was actually on XAU USD, which is gold. The trade was on XAU USD. So I think it was on Tuesday, because mostly on Mondays it's not like I don't trade, but on Mondays I don't really see setups. I like to allow the market to breathe on Monday, and we start our trading from Tuesday. So the trade I spotted on gold was on Tuesday. Now I missed a lot of opportunities in this week's market, to be honest, because I don't know, but I missed a lot of trades this week. But hopefully next week we are going to do better and come back here. So let's jump straight in. So my logic for this trade was on the 4-hour, gold is bearish. And I think this is Tuesday, so price was around this place. So obviously you can see that gold was bearish. So on the lower time frame, I think it was on the 30 minutes. It was at the 30 minutes. Yes, it was on the 30 minutes that I saw this trade. So what is my logic for this trade? So gold was buying. The week opened with a gap, then continued buying in an uptrend. So when we got here, this was a fair value gap. There was a fair value gap right here, or you call it imbalance or whatever, that price came into and price reacted off of. So price started moving upwards. This happening during midnight. Price started moving upwards, gave me a break of structure here. Price broke here. So price broke here, gave me some form of inducement here. So this was the other block I took my trade for. It was this particular other block that I took my trade for. I think it was clear on the 15 minutes. Why is my network kind of slow? Yeah, so this was the other block that I took my trade for. I took my trade from this other block. My stop loss was below the other block, and I was targeting a 1:5, as you can see, 5.5, 1:5. So price moved upwards for about a 1:3, then it started reversing. Price started reversing, then it came down all this way. So now when price got somewhere around, when price came down around somewhere, I closed my position, because normally I don't do break-evens, I don't break even. But with this trade, I saw the risk of continuing being in this trade, because if you check the 4-hour, if you go on, and when price got, I actually went on the high time frame, and I saw that this was where price was on the high time frame. I saw price, I thought price was reacting from this block right here. So I actually thought sales would be coming into the market. So this is what I saw. I said, okay, then if we are reacting off of this block, then there's no need holding onto this trade. I just closed at, I'll say break even, because it was a profit of just about, I think, 21 cents. So it's technically break even. That's the only trade we took for this week. As I said, that I missed a lot of trades. So this is the trade results down here, and this is what our account balance looks like. Yes, so I missed a lot of setups. I missed some setups as well, which I'm going to show you in a moment. But all these trades, I didn't take them. All these markings, I didn't take them. So I think on Thursday, yes, I think on Thursday I was waiting for a trade on Bitcoin. On Thursday I was waiting for a trade on Bitcoin right here. This is it. So I hadn't even deleted the markings. So this was my logic on the trade. This is a sweep of liquidity. If we check the 4 hours, we saw that market swept to this high and started dropping. So on a 30 minute market gave us change of character here, then reacted from this other block, fell, reacted from this other block, then broke structure here again as well. So I was looking at this place as my inducement. Market retraces back into this other block and sells, but you can see market never got here till it got to my target and I deleted the limit order. So this was a trade I couldn't take. So I'll say, is it missed? This is a trade I missed, or it didn't come back to my entry or whatever. Yes, and I think there was another trade on I think USDJPY. Yes, there was another trade on USDJPY that markets did not come back to, which is also on Thursday evening. On Thursday evening. So this is it. So as you can see, market is giving a series of lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. Then we got a shift in market structure. So at this point I was expecting this to be our inducement. Then market comes down, see a tap being, then goes for a 1:5 but market did not come down there. I think market used this other block right here and started buying herself. So this was it for the week. I know it looks like a slow week, but this is literally the start of the new year. This is just the first week, so we'll see what we get in the upcoming week. So this is the total P&L at the end of the week. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe to this channel. We'll be back here next week for episode 2, and we hope to catch some good trades next week. Now my mistakes actually this week were like I wasn't really attentive. Like I don't know if it was the Christmas holidays that has made me kind of like, though I'm not really back in the trading mood, so I missed a lot of trades. I wasn't paying attention to the chart. I wasn't looking deeply and I wasn't looking well at the chart. So I think next week we'll be back better. So don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Don't forget to leave comments in the comment section and tell me how your trading week was. What has the experience been so far for you for the new year? How have you started the new year? Let me know what is happening in your trading in the comment section. I'll catch you here same time next week as I bring to you part 2, and hopefully we catch some good and massive trades.